my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. An immediate countering bullish engulfing pattern yesterday after the previous session's reactionary bearish Harami and outside day. It was a fifth consecutive clear close over all the moving averages, as well as over the 50% Fibonacci line of the September-December 2022 move at 84.99, though prices did penetrate it once again on the downside. We still have the overhead, the changeover gap from late April, originally between 85.89 to 87.46, which hasn't been filled in by much, plus the October 2018 high, 86.67. More importantly, it was also a continuing close over the dark blue upper trend line, currently at 80.87 of the April to June bearish expanding wedge pattern. Taking a step back for a moment, in very early May, the market broke down below the bright red highlighted December 2023 to late April 2024 lower bull channel line. And this gave some potentials below for this pattern. The primary target in the 78 even zone was reached, but the secondary hard to reach target X2 down in the 72.30 zone. Well, that is still live, though I'm increasingly debating whether to retire this potential target given the recent break higher. Additionally, we had a mid-March to end of April head and shoulders top with a purple neckline that is just above the market, currently at 87.36. This, along with the October 2018 high 86.67 and the 50% Fibonacci line of the November 2020 to March 2020 move at 87.41, these together provided the next set of resistances on any attempts to fill in the overhead gap. However, this is not the end of the matter. You see, this break higher from the dark blue bearish expanding wedge pattern gives us some potentials topside. Thus, a primary target X would be in the 89.45 area, with a harder to reach secondary target X1 up in the 92.05 area. Again, that is not all. You see, I've been studying the action since April quite closely, and what I initially thought might be a bearish halfway hesitation has morphed and developed into a late April to date diving board pattern, which goes a long way to explain the recent bullishness, the cause of it, and finally, we are set up this week to make the month of June a possible monthly key reversal. Thus, if we have a close on Friday, the 28th of June, either over 87.86 or under 81.62, then we're beyond. Right now we're looking at a possible lesser outside month pattern, and we will continue to do so unless that top side gap is filled in. Now, so far today, a slightly higher open and blip up before the market turned lower, though we are still some way from the 50% Fibonacci line below at 84.99. Spot gold. An immediate countering bullish Harami yesterday after the previous session's combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern. The close. Well, the close was right on the breached but seemingly repaired bright red lower time, currently 23.36 of the early October 2023 to mid-February 2024 bullish Andrews pitchfork. Overhead we have the green highlighted short medium moving average, currently 23.43, whilst below the nearest support is the old 50% projected Fibonacci line at 23.01. This market continues to ask questions and offer few answers other than the original big old bright red bullish Andrews pitchfork. Now, so far today, a small dip lower, though not as far down as yesterday, and it was quickly turned back up towards the bright red lower time again.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.